Right. Busy day, windy day, blessings on your day. Missed a few days posting, hopefully trying to rebuild some momentum here. Life with its ups and downs. Trying to take those comings and goings. Stay focused on clear intention. Stay focused on that yearning to be of value to you. You out there, my dear sweet friend, you who's in the anxiety, you who's in the feeling of not being enough, you who feels like you gotta do this or that, wanting to help you see, my friend, help you see and see and see again and again and again just how extraordinary you are, just how miraculous you are, just how wonderful this life is, just what a gift it is to be here now, and to not take that beautiful gift and throw it away in empty, meaningless, pointless activities that don't bring any joy into your heart or any light into the world, but just make somebody more money. I mean, do it if you want. It's your life. I'm not here to tell you what to do. But, never going to get those moments back. And all that money doesn't go anywhere. People who made money in the past, the dead people, what's their money worth to them now? Those are just the ones we remember. Soon they'll all be forgotten. What's their money worth to them now? Forgotten. No trace of them left, as will be true for all of us. In due time, soon enough, all trace disappearing. And then what's our money good for? What does it matter? What people thought of us? What possessions we had? Right? All the meaning in those experiences is activated in the present moment. Only ever activated in the present moment and nowhere else. Because nothing can exist anywhere other than in this moment, right here. Hope that wind isn't too bad on the camera, on the microphone. So as always, just inviting you into the present moment, my dear, sweet, beloved friend. Into this here sweet moment. This sweet moment of your existence. As all those billions and trillions of little cells all work together to make you happen. That extraordinary wonder that you are, coming into existence. All those neurons firing billion times a minute, billion times a second, somehow managing to construct your experience of reality, make your thoughts function, make your language processing units function. How? Don't know. Know a little bit, of course. Learn some of the ins and outs of the complexity of it all. Hard to really know, though, just how all of those extraordinary systems self-organize, bringing the complexity through generation after generation after generation into this, your eyes, your ears, your mind, your heart, your brilliant and beautiful capacity to love. All these extraordinary things come into being. Don't know how, but the miraculous nature of it all, the wondrous, extraordinary, and so temporary, so fleeting gift of this experience of human life not to be wasted, I don't think. Not to be spent wrapped up in nonsense. Missing out on those relationships, missing out on those moments of love, those moments of happiness, moments of laughter, moments of healing, moments of deep connection, moments of creation and music, cooperation. So many sweet, 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 sweet things in this world. So many gifts of the human experience offered to us as we open our eyes and move through our days. And all the ways that these experiences change us, change our experience of life, change how we move through the world, the default states of relaxedness, of well-being, of joy, of gratitude, of compassion, as opposed to feeling like we need to be anxious, feeling like we're not good enough, comparing ourselves to others, feeling envious of others. Seeing that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful miracle that you are. That wonder of wonders of wonders. How beautiful, how wonderful. And so to not be carried away, not be lost, to just be present for your life, to be more and more and more present for the extraordinary experience of you now, living in the abundance, living in the richness, living in the well-being, and shining and shimmering that well-being into the lives of the people you know, leaving that legacy, that shimmering legacy of love and of well-being and of light in the world behind you. Touching the lives of those you meet, those who see you, those who know you, creating a different experience for them so that as they move through the world, these subtle differences, adding up, rippling and building. May you be happy today, my friend. May you be a beacon of well-being and peace. May well-being flow through you. Flowing through you, that you might be joyous and creative and abundant. Beautiful. So beautiful. Be happy, be happy. Be happy, be happy.